Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cross the bridge in mountain climb. So basically what you'll need to do is go right here and break some things. So as you can see, I'm breaking right now. Like there will be 3 things, so 1, 2, and 3. Then you'll need to build something. So just go and build it right here. Hold it on triangle or whatever button you have. And then you'll need to get in to that thing, that flying thing right here. So just get in, then hold it on the X button, and it will take, of course, some time. After that, it will shoot into the sky, and you'll need to fly for a bit. As you can see, like that, you'll see the circles. So just go through those circles, and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.